Hey guys, welcome back to our channel GREASY House. Today's video is about butterfly whipped cream powders review. I bought this online guys. Curious to know how this works. This is a 50-gram pack and the instructions are given on the back. For 50 grams of powder, 90 ml of milk or chilled water is required. Take a bowl and add the powder and add milk to it. Don't add all the milk at a time guys. Add half of the milk and adjust the quantity. Mix it once manually to avoid the splatter of the powder. And then start blending the powder with the blender. Add an ice bath to the whipped cream guys, so that it doesn't melt away easily and forms stiff peaks. Whip it for good 1 to 2 minutes continuously. Scrape the sides into the bowl and mix it well once again. If required, add milk to it guys and then whisk it again. It takes good 4 to 5 minutes and the cream is done. Heat it in high speed to make the stiff peaks and add the flavor and color of your choice. This whipping cream powder also requires sugar, so add 2 to 3 spoons of sugar and add according to your taste. My review on this whipping cream powder is I would give it 5 to 5 stars guys. It is affordable, pocket friendly and time friendly. It is also non-greasy unlike other creams and can be done with a hand whisker as well. And the cream is not ideal for Russian tips guys, so use normal tips.